Hello, welcome to Tutikai Vlog. This is Mami Cherry. We will learn more Bisaya words. So we will add more to your Bisaya words. We will start with your tongue. Your tongue is dila in Bisaya. Tongue, dila. Then your gums inside your mouth, that's your lagus. Lagus. And inside, that's your throat. Your throat is your lingag-ngag. Lingag-ngag. And then inside your head, inside your ulo is your brain or utok in Bisaya. Utok. And inside your chest, you have this shape. That's your heart. Is your kasing-kasing. Kasing-kasing. Okay? Follow for more. Bye!